Alright, so we got this outdoor lock, and I'm going to say it's probably the best investment we've made. Camper, anything. It's so cool, and I'm really happy we did it. It was actually my wife's idea, and so we put it in. I just love this thing. What's really cool about it is you can put a code on there, and it's nice for our little boy when he wants to go back to the camp before we're there.
Locked!
He has to go in there, makes you set a code, you put the code in, you hit unlock, and it unlocks it. If you want to lock it, you hold down the lock button, it locks it up. So very, very simple. Works just like your normal door latch. But I love it. It also comes with a remote or a key fob. So this thing's pretty cool too, because if you hold it down, it locks up, it tells you it's locked, and then you can hold it down and unlock it. So really kind of a sweet system. If you're looking at adding something to your camper and want to kind of upgrade it, definitely do this. You will not be disappointed if you add one of these. I'll put a link at the bottom of our YouTube video for this, so if it's something that interests you or you want to look at the actual model or the one that we have, I'll make sure that's on there. Highly recommend it.
Hey guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure that you like and subscribe for more great content that is ready to come. Peace out.